As a girl, I think there are not many other women present in cybersecurity. So firstly, I would love to see a lot of women in cybersecurity coming forward to taking up challenges. Secondly, I think there's a lot of misconception that anyone who has to be in cybersecurity has to be in a black hoodie. That is not true. You can still look pretty and hack away at a computer. Now that I am moving forward in my career, I do not see another woman who can be my mentor or my sponsor in cybersecurity. And I know I can be such a mentor or sponsor for some of young girls taking up cybersecurity. Another aspect of cybersecurity is that it's mostly economy driven. A lot of people tend to focus on cybersecurity causing monetary loss, but as women, I think we would bring a different angle to this problem. Like I mentioned, we would want to tackle other serious problems like cyberbullying. We would want to tackle other problems like having illicit data. We would want to protect our loved ones. And although that is not necessarily driven from a monetary point of view, I think those problems need to be solved. And as women, I think we can push for those problems to be solved.